let's start a new part model. Here we are in SolidWorks. I'm going to start with just the basic templates. Part model, click OK here. Some of the things that we want to pay attention to is make sure that for our command manager here, that we show at least the features and sketches and evaluate tabs. And you could do that if you right click and check what tabs are selected here. If you do not see your command manager, you can right click in an empty area of the interface and check command manager to call it up. Okay, now if we take a look down here in the bottom right in our status bar, this is where we can take a look at our document units. Right now you can see that it's set to inch, pound, second, but if I want to do some additional formatting, I can click here and it'll bring me to my document properties. Another way that we can get there is by using the pull down in the menu bar and taking a look at our options. Here you can take a look at system options as well as document properties. And for this particular drawing, you can see that we have the ANSI standard selected. And then if you take a look down here at units, you can see that we have the inch, pound, second format for our unit system. Additionally, you can adjust the precision for length and angle and other features there, as you see. And for now, I believe that we can work with up to 3 decimal places for length and click OK. So we've got our basic units. Now we need to consider what are going to be the drafting aids that we're going to be using, right? If you take a look here at your feature manager design tree, as I hover over the planes, you can see they change color in the graphics window, and they change color still when I select them. Also, when I make a selection, you can see the pop-up pet palette here. The way that we can use this pet palette is that we can show our planes even after we've deselected them, right? This might help us to better orient ourselves in the drawing area. So you can see here, as I select the top plane, I can use the pet palette to show it. Same thing with the right plane. Now, the other thing is, where's the origin? And you can see here's the origin in the design tree, and when I hover over it, it shows into the drawing area. Similarly, when I click on it, you can see it changes color. Another way to control the display of these is if you go to your menu bar here and you take a look at View. Some of the things we want to keep in mind is we want to show the origin. You can see which types are selected here right now. If I show the origin, you can see it now in your graphics area. Also, you can see that I have sketch relations. This will be really important later when we're starting to draw sketches. And then you could see I've got curves, sketches, annotations. Also, you can see down here that I'm showing the feature manager tree, the toolbars, the task pane. That would be this over here. Okay. Access to your library, to your file explorer, things like that. Okay, so now that I can see the standard planes and now that I know how to control the visibility, now I can start drafting.